Alright, here we are. This is September 2nd, 2010. I'm going to show how Johnny learned how to walk.
What is learning?
Yeah. Come on, buddy. Get over here.
Go get Daddy.
Come on. Come on.
Very
good.
Come on, baby.
You want to go back to Mama?
Very good. Very good.
Come on. Oh, you got too fast.
You went too fast.
You went too fast.
Let's move that fan over a little bit. Good.
Go back to Mommy.
Yay!
You look like when Daddy's drunk.
Ready, go get Daddy?
Come on.
Come on. You want Winnie?
Come here.
Okay, here's Winnie.
Come here,
Go
buddy.
get Winnie. Oh, there's Winnie.
Come on. What's with the dramatic fall?
There's Winnie.
Get over here. Go back to Mama.
Balance. Good. That's one way to do it. Ready, go get Daddy?
Come on. Watch out, Reach. You're going to get mowed down.
Go ahead.
Whoa, you get too excited.
Slow it down, buddy.
Slow
You don't
down.
need to run.
Slow down. Walk. Walk.
Come to Mama.
Walk to Mommy. Come on. Come on.
That was good, but it was in talk about that.
Luigi, get over here. Come on.
Daddy, go get Daddy.
Come here. Walk.
Good. You sort of steered.
You want Winnie?
Here's Winnie.
Come.
Very good. Aw, big hug for Winnie. Big hug. Okay, we're gonna throw Winnie to Daddy.
Whoa.
Ready? Oh, let's go get him. Let's go get Winnie. Go ahead.
Come on.
Go.
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 What was that? You're such a doof.
Oh, big hugs for Winnie.
Aw.